Should you get a propane generator? What are the pros and cons? I'm going to show you right now. My name is Jason Hanson. I'm a former CIA officer, and I believe you should be very, very prepared for a crisis or whatever emergency comes your way. So this is actually one of the propane generators that I own. This is a Buffalo Sportsman, and this is a big generator. You can see 6,000 running watts. So I actually take this to one of the bug out locations I have when we need to run some of the stuff there because it's completely off the grid location. So I absolutely think you need to have a propane generator. Do I think it needs to be this big? No, not at all. But I am running an entire small cabin with this thing. The reason I do think you should have propane generators is because propane can be stored indefinitely. Meaning, I live in a small town in Utah. It gets extremely cold in the winters. I can have my propane sitting in the shed in the back of my house, and it doesn't matter if it's 20 degrees. It also doesn't matter if it's 95 degrees. Again, I can store my tanks of propane, which I have a lot of, in all types of weather conditions. So get propane, easy to store. It's not like gasoline where you have to worry about it going bad. You don't have to put fuel stabilizer. I literally don't have to do anything, which is a very good part of propane. It's pretty much maintenance free. So what are the downsides of propane? Well, downside of propane is it's not solar, meaning you can't run it in your house. So this generator, if even my smaller generators, I'm not taking them inside my house. I have to snake an extension cord out of there because I don't want the propane fumes, just like I don't want the gasoline fumes. This is the connector. So all I got to do is connect this up to the end of here. I connect it around, and again, I'm rocking and rolling. So it's simple. It's idiot proof. I do like it. I think that everybody should have multiple generator sources, meaning you should have solar generators, you should have propane generators, you should have gasoline generators, just because you never know what you're going to use. You never know, maybe one breaks, so you have a backup. But absolutely get a propane generator as part of your survival, quote unquote, arsenal, and they all come in all shapes and sizes. I mean, for me, again, you don't need a 6,000 watt, but I'd probably get like a 1,500 watt. That way you can run your fridge and other appliances, 2,000 watt, something like that. If you only want to run small electronics, well, I mean, you get a 400, 500 watt, obviously up to you. But for more survival tips, please make sure you subscribe. I would appreciate it, and have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you. God bless your family.